If Canva is showing error 400, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the issue in just a couple of minutes. This kind of error can happen because of a temporary browser problem, a weak internet connection, cached files, or even an extension like an ad blocker interfering with Canva. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself without reinstalling anything or losing your work. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making simple step-by-step guides for you. First, open Canva and try refreshing the page. Sometimes error 400 is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to get things working again. If Canva opens normally after that, great, you're done. But if the error still appears, move on to the next step. Now check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can easily trigger loading errors inside Canva. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick internet speed test. You want to make sure your connection is stable and that your upload and download speeds are working properly. If your internet is dropping in and out, restart your router or switch to a more stable network, then try Canva again. If the problem continues, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Canva from loading correctly. To do this, click the browser menu in the top corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and then click Clear. After that, reopen Canva and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing error 400, the next step is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Some extensions can block parts of Canva from loading properly, which can cause unexpected errors. Open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions one by one. Once they're disabled, refresh Canva and check if it works normally. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will fix the problem right away. Start with refresh, then check your internet, clear your cache, and finally disable extensions. That order is the fastest way to troubleshoot Canva error 400 without wasting time. If Canva still isn't working after trying all of that, you can also try opening it in another browser or using an Incognito window to rule out a browser-specific issue. But in most cases, the steps in this video will solve it. If this tutorial helped you fix Canva error 400, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes, walkthroughs, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.